If you're looking to replace a failing PCV valve hose in your GM vehicle, ACDelco GM Original Equipment PCV valve hose is the perfect solution. This GM recommended replacement part is designed to provide the same high level of performance, durability, and service life as the original factory component. Whether you're dealing with an ignition system or engine fuel management, this hose ensures that your vehicle operates efficiently and smoothly. Manufactured to GM's exacting specifications for fit, form, and function, this PCV valve hose guarantees a precise fit for your vehicle, ensuring reliable performance. It's the ideal choice for maintaining your vehicle's engine management system, as a failing PCV hose can wreak havoc on fuel mix ratios, causing poor engine performance, a rich exhaust smell, and rough idling. Top reviews from users highlight the superior quality of this product compared to other options. One customer noted that the part arrived on time and fit perfectly on their 2004 Trailblazer. The pre-loaded clip made installation a breeze, and the new hose immediately resolved the issue of poor idling and the strong exhaust smell caused by a failed PCV valve hose. This ACDelco part offers great value at a lower price than local store options, and it ensures that your vehicle's fuel and engine management systems remain intact. Don't let a malfunctioning hose cause further issues with your car's performance. Replace it with the trusted quality of ACDelco GM Original Equipment. For easy purchase, click the link in the description below to get your own ACDelco PCV valve hose. Be sure to subscribe for more product insights and recommendations.